Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the TWIN BUSCH 1-post lift TW125F. The TW125F is a compact 1-post lift, ideal for tight spaces. The lift has a powerful hydraulic cylinder with a lifting capacity of up to 2.5 tons. Let's take a look at the lift in action. The lifting arms can be swiveled and telescoped. The 2-level lifting pads allow the vehicle to be ideally supported. The telescopic lifting arms adapt themselves to the reception points of a wide variety of vehicles. The lifting arms are locked automatically as the lift moves up. The safety locking system protects the lift against unintentional lowering through the entire lifting height. The lift offers another advantage for bodyworks. The 1-post technology allows free access to one whole side of the vehicle. To descend, the lift is manually unlocked and lowered. The TW125F is suited for a wide variety of vehicles, from small cars up to SUVs.